Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Kensington Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Kensington Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in kensington.webcustomerportal.com and make a search. It will take you to the login page of your Kensington Mortgage account. Enter your username and password associated with your Kensington Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgotten Your Password option. This is how you can log into your Kensington Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.